animals on the world. He comes from the South African panhandle, and he's very scary.
Oh, wow.
Now, this mammal is very rare. We do not know if it's a mammal, but we're not positive. He is reaching into his pockets. Surprisingly, he is smart enough to do that. He looks very strange, I know. Ow, he just hit me! He just hit me! Goodbye!